Everyone. In this video, I just want to share what I did for Module 6 to create the Doppler images after submitting my Andromeda images on Skynet. The first thing I did was to download the 5 stacks of the images from Skynet, which included the narrowband, luminescence, red, green, and the blue layers. After that, I uploaded them into Afterglow. Once the images were loading to Afterglow, I removed the extra images from each stack and kept only the first one for each layer. Then I arranged them in order, starting with narrowband, followed by luminescence, red, green, and blue, which stands for narrowband and RGB. Next, I added the color maps to each layer based on the information from Skynet. For example, the 6173 image is the luminescence layer, so I set that to gray. The 6221 image is red, so I colored it red. The 6241 image is green, so I colored it green. And the 6249 image is blue, so I colored that blue as well. I also changed the blend mode of the luminescence layer from rainbow to luminescence. And here's a picture of a luminescence. This is red, this is green, and this is blue. After that, I grouped the images together, linked the layer percentiles, changed the stretch mode to midtone, and clicked on the default preset. Then I adjusted the background level until the red line of the graph was just a bit below the peak. So basically, the peak is at 30% over here, and I made it 20% because it's just a little bit below the peak. And I also changed the midtone level to 95% so that the image will show up more clearly. Once that was done, I turned the narrowband layer back on by clicking on the eyeball icon. I selected the layer to view its display settings and changed the color map to Balmer. Just like with the other layers, I adjusted the background level based on the graph, and I also changed the saturation to 95% so that the image looked good, comfortable to look at, but still very detailed. And here's the final image. That's pretty much for the process I followed to create the Doppler image. Thanks!